Yo, yo, yo. In theory, I could hear. Okay, I'm gonna have to go check the stream. One second. Okay, we're doing good. One second. Okay. The music will calm. Make sure this is actually like so well, because one of my videos is like my camera is like scooted like half a millimeter and it like bugs me. So I just woke up. Let's get it. Here we know. Start going to the daily. Getting our daily open. See. This one was calm. Nice dailies. Damn, we tapped that just to the dollar. For sure, it's the long that we're in right now. Could be. I go to the 4 hour. And we're obviously trading in this range now. Right here. Pretty obviously. Which is by far along. I'm looking down here. I guess for resistance right here. Yeah, that level right here is for sure the low I'm looking for in long. This is a nice short because this adds some kind of confluence to some kind of head and shoulders looking thing. So I like that. So yeah, the two main trades I guess would really just be up here and down here. after I just scalps. And then that, I guess there could really be another main level. You have the low, the high. You come down lower. I don't think that matters. Leave it like that. So in reality, the real like level that I'm looking for here is something. Oh, actually, I'm not marking it yet. I'm not. There you go. Yeah. I can. Okay. Short wise. Got a golden pocket, got a 76, and it's outside of VH. Coordinates. Actually, I don't like to get coordinates for my daily for these lows right here because I'm gonna be talking to them on YouTube. So I just like to just get it like very easy. So 29.1 to 29.7. 1 to 29. So that's a pretty good range. Next we got this one down here. I'm gonna put it down to like, has to be the 76, dude. Like, that's the lowest it can be. So anywhere from 26.6 to 25.4. 6 to 25. My 4. Golden pocket. Support resistance. Flip. 76. Outside of boom. Okay. So I guess you can just get rid of this. And right here. I'm gonna call this shoulder line. Okay. Because as you can tell, like say we go to like the 6 hour, like the daily. It's more clear on the daily. Let's put all these cool things that we got today. There's also one more level that I would be looking for here. Should be done here. Golden pocket. Daily. Oh, it's not really like if we come down lower than that, I guess we just really do come down lower than that, G. I'm gonna keep it real with you because if we lose that, we're gonna come test this Oh, actually, it's not bad. I like that. Not from here to here. No. From here to here. Yeah. That's nice. That's nice. I was gonna say, nah, it's not. It's not like that nice, but it's like nice. So right here, this 24K level is also nice. Four, two. So, H retest, golden pocket, and daily. Okay. I mean, those we're looking at. Go for the Ethereum. Go dance break. Bro. Dude. See, like, that can seem like a good vibe. It can seem like a good spirit. Good spirit. Let's check out the daily. Holy dude. Ethereum. Daily open. The dupe. And boom. That should be good for now. Let's get it. Once again, it looks like in Ethereum, it's starting to get into this range. Right here. Oh, this one, okay. I'll take that, that's fine. Like from the pump. That's fine. Okay, so I guess so we got an SFP here. That's LVLS. This is another neckline as well. No shoulder line. Bro, I took it from that swing low, and that's where I'm gonna put my level, dude. I'm a believer. Believer. Okay. And if we grab a golden bucket from this little thing right here, you have a. You don't really have confluence with the shoulder line, really. Other than maybe like a 786, unless you like pull it from right here, man. I'm gonna pull it from right there. I'm a believer, boys. Believer. Plus, I mean, worst case scenario, we risk manage a trade, and we lose 1%. Okay. Everything else is like scalpy. Let's see. Any level could be looking at in Ethereum? I guess we're also just looking at yesterday's level too. Right here. And yeah, so I guess around the same. Wait, where did I pull this one from? And I like today's level more because it's outside of the VA. So here's some sauce. Here's some sauce. For if anyone ever watches this. Or if I clip this, ready? I'm about to drop some trading sauce, boys. Okay, so you see this? This is right here is called the fixed range profile. And what this does is it tells us what the fair price for Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever asset we're trading is, right? Well, you know what? This is a very powerful tool if you know how to use it right. And I just recently started actually using it right, you know? It's been helping me. It's been helping my trades quite a bit. And the way you do it is you wanna think of the assets as ranges, right? You don't want to think of it as you don't want to think of it as like the price going up or down. You want to think of the price going sideways. You know, like normally like it. So for example, right here, right? This is our local range. As you can tell, we established like a pretty fair high, right? Where like we could say that like people like didn't wanna like buy, so everyone was selling right here, right? So this is resistance, and there was a point where nobody wanted to sell, you know, so everybody was buying. So that right there is what a range looks like, you know. And these little things can last for, man, let's see, for example, this little range lasted for 19 days, almost a whole month, right? So you could have took trades right there, basically the whole month, and every other, you know, let's see, you could have went short for 2 days and took 7%. You could have went long for two days and for 1 day and took 7%. You could have went short for 2 days and took 7%. That right there, 7 times 3, 21%. You know, like with the whole month, you can make like 30% just of these like small ranges. And these ranges are extremely profitable if you're you know, day trader or just a trader like me, because you know we can't wait for the bull run to hit for us to be making this insane gains. You know, Like we gotta make cash, and yeah. So the way that this fixed range profile does is it does that before you. So say we want to grab this little like piece of price action, right? We select it, and boom, it tells us that whenever we come above this value, this is called the value area high. This is called the value area low. This is called the point of control. Whenever we come above this value area high, right, we come down and eventually find ourselves back down into the value area low to see if we're gonna come back up or whether we're gonna lose it, right? And this happens over and over and over again in every time frame, countless of times, right? So let's go to like a 12-minute, for example. In the 12-minute, we're ranging. See, the 12-minute has a different range. As you can tell, the 12-minute was ranging here for a little bit, and now we're ranging here for a little bit. You know, and you could have pulled the fixed range profile back here when we were trading back here, and you could have pulled the fixed range profile right here when we're trading right here. To profit from these small ranges, and it's pretty cool how this works because not a lot of traders understand the fact that you want to think of the market as small blocks. You don't want to you don't want to look at it as like you'll get confused and you'll get paralyzed if you just look at like the big picture all the time, or if you try to mix the big picture with the small picture. This is why I started this YouTube channel, actually, because it's gonna help me keep track of my time and stay in track of my trades, because I believe it's very important as a trader to be aware of not only the market, but to be aware of time and to be aware of your thoughts and to be aware of everything. So yeah, if you found any value in this, in the value area, or in how value areas work, they can make you a whole bunch of money if you use them right. For example, right here, look. Outside of value area, we come down to the value area. We eventually find ourselves into the value area low. Hit the value area low, we eventually we find ourselves into the value area high. And man, range trading, juice. And I realized I'm gonna have to cut that from my stream because I was recording. But yo, out of the blue, I just recorded some fire. I just felt inspired, I guess, dude. Like, dude, it's just because I just saw that fixed range, and I'm like, damn, I learned something. Because I've been struggling with that. I've been taking trades inside of the range, inside of the 12-minute, not knowing that that if I'm taking a trade inside of the 12-minute, inside of the range of the 12-minute, I should be looking at the 1 minute, because it's a super extremely scalpy scalp compared to if I'm taking a trade from the 4-hour, right? Like from the range of the 4-hour, being this one right here, right? And so basically anything in between these two lines is a scalp. Like I just had to know that. I had to know that, like before I just didn't know how to like handle it. But unless you're in one of these two levels, I'm not looking to hold you for a long time. And like I'm looking to take 75% out like TP1 and let it ride, And not even 75, because then I'm gonna take 50%. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably start taking a little bit more profit out, because I need to start racking some more profits. Because it's the beginning, so I'm gonna probably rack out like 70% profits. I have to think about it, man. 70%, bro. I have to do it. I have to do it. That's one of my rules. At least for this month. Yeah, for this like upcoming month of May, Like I'll finish the month with 70%, and I'll start the next month taking the whole. I can't be mad. I'm making more money. Come on, bro. All right. That could be a cool scalp here for later today. Like. We'll see. Anyways, that's our levels for. Did we even finish our levels? Yeah, we did. There we go. Now we go to. It's a nice daily sandwich. Mm, mm. 1714. Mm, 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 mm. You see, I would be doing this whether I like. Actually, I think I wouldn't be waking up at 5 a.m. and like streaming and like getting all the levels. But like, I would still be doing my technical analysis. So, like, me just streaming it, dude, is just helping me be so much more present. Like, hands down, I don't know, like, how else to put it. Like, I'm just talking here to myself, but I'm present, you know? I'm here. I feel here. Okay, I got my levels for the day, and where I'm looking to take some juicy trades. I'm gonna turn this off just because I don't mind if I'm getting confused in the video. Sorry, okay, I'm gonna go right to record it. Do this instead. Okay. Also, I realized that I'm gonna do my glasses whenever I like post me in the winning trade instead. I think that's cool. Okay. Oops. A little bit down. Okay, like this. Well, good morning, everyone. Looking for our levels today. We're gonna start with Bitcoin. For Bitcoin, the levels that we're looking at today are we're starting by 29.1 with Golden Pocket 786 and Value Area High, and yeah, we're gonna see if we come up. We're looking to take a short from there, and if we come down to 26.6 or 25.4 area zone with confirmations in our indicators, we will take a long from there. These levels are day trade levels, so they are expected to be a little bit longer. These are actually a little more swingy. These are a little more swingy. And yeah, let's go for Ethereum. As far as Ethereum, we're looking at taking a short from 1937. Okay, let me just fix this. From around 1937 to 1967, right? I could see us coming up and, projecting from there to, and longs, we can see us coming down from 1714 and longing, 1714, 1615 and taking a long from up there. Now, there are a couple of ideas that I'm seeing on potential bearish side, so I do want everyone to be careful. There's one really main idea that just like stood out to me, so I just wanted to put it out there. If we go into the 12-hour, right, and or the daily is better. You can see that we're starting to form some kind of like head and shoulders pattern here, right? And the thing is, since we're starting to form this head and shoulders pattern, this neckline, I mean, yeah, the neckline size like the shoulder line, right, is coming along like almost perfectly with our support and resistance level. So you know, if I do really like this trade, and I would like to take a trade from that shoulder like down, you know, down to one of the bigger zones of support, which I believe could be like 1.5k, you know, or potentially 1 point 1.5k. Anyways, the point is like you see that shoulder, that like head and shoulders looking thing, and I wanted to put it out there because you know it would be cool if it happens. You know, it plays out. I can come back and do my little dance video. Anyways, boys, if you enjoyed this video and if you found value in it, you know, just make sure that you keep your eyes out on the market. Make sure you don't get caught lacking. You know, have a good blessed day. Make sure you do something. Go outside, get some sun, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Alright, so that's it for the video. I'm gonna go edit it, finish it. But you guys already know, stream's coming to an end too as well. It's a good stream. Good stream. Boom, and yeah.